And the line of actual control between India and China, you did see that massive standoff that took place in Galwan Valley as well. 20 Indian Jawans were martyred right there at the line of actual control as well. In the middle of all of this, a lot of social media posts are also making rounds with certain pictures and videos which do not even belong to the LAC, but we have pulled them out for you to explain you, test the veracity and get you fact from fiction. A Pakistani Twitter handle @Hina R Kharal tweeted the 37-second video linking it to the crisis along the line of actual control. The caption along with the video says, and I quote, "Indian soldiers face off. Hashtag Galwan Valley, hashtag Indian Army, hashtag Ladakh border, hashtag India-China face off," unquote. Another Facebook page posted an image with the caption, and I quote, "57 BSF Indian soldiers are killed in Ladakh yesterday night," unquote. Several Facebook users have posted this image with the caption, and I quote, "Pick from Ladakh Indian Army," unquote. Some other users have written, "Prime Minister Narendra Modi says our soldiers' sacrifices will not go to waste after the Ladakh face-off." India Today's anti-fake news war room has gone ahead and conducted a proper fact check on all these posts that are going viral on social media, and we've concluded that none of them have anything to do with what transpired at the line of actual control at the Galwan Valley between India and China in the border standoff. We have investigated all these viral posts, and now let's tell you the truth one by one. Let's get you a blow-by-blow account. We found out that the viral video was shot after the Handwara encounter in March last year. The viral video carries the stamp of Twitter handle Rifat Abdullah. We found that Rifat Abdullah is a journalist in Kashmir, and he had tweeted the video on 2nd March 2019. A news channel also used this video in March last year with the same information. 5 security personnel, including 3 from CRPF and 2 from Jammu and Kashmir Police, were martyred in the operation. 2 terrorists were neutralized, and a civilian was also killed during the 56-hour encounter. To verify this claim, we also found out that this information was already in public domain and was already available in the internet last year. BSF had retweeted this image, which was originally tweeted by a journalist named Manish Prasad on 10th February 2019. The original image was captioned, and I quote, "This is how leisure time of 2 to 3 hours is passed in outdoor exercises of BSF India Commando Academy in Tekanpur. Highly motivated guardian of first line of defense and internal security," unquote. While verifying this picture, we also found out that this picture is already viral on the internet since the year 2015. Some had tweeted the image, and some others had written blogs in 2015 claiming that these are bodies of 105 missing Nigerian soldiers who were killed by Boko Haram insurgents. Later, this image was used in several news reports as well. As per these news reports, controversy erupted in Nigeria in 2015 over 105 missing soldiers. All of a sudden, images of bodies of Nigerian soldiers surfaced on social media. Hence, India Today's anti-fake news war room can safely conclude that all these posts that you see going viral on social media and the claims that they're making are misleading, they're fake. It's absolutely fake news. None of this is true, and it's got nothing to do with the border standoff that we're having at the line of actual control between India and China in eastern Ladakh in the Galwan Valley. These are all from another time. Do not believe these posts. It is fake news.